looking car too. Let's take a look at the front. Chrome. Underneath the hood, 272 Y-block, V8 power. It's paired up with a 3-speed manual transmission, shifter on the column. A little small ding in the bright work. A couple of marks down in the bumper. So, I mean, is it perfect? No, but hey, it's a nice looking car. And like I said, get into the classic car hobby without breaking the bank. All right, still pictures. You're gonna be able to see this from every angle. Undersides, interior, engine bay, trunk. Unique, classiccars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's gonna take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us, 507-386-1726. Riding on steel wheels. Ford wheel covers, white wall radials. Let's go ahead and take a look down this passenger side. You can see these panels. Look like they're pretty darn straight. Bright work down the midriff of the car. Nice condition. Paint has a decent shine to it. Fender skirt's intact. Green interior, kind of vinyl cloth, two-tone combination. Seat belts have been added, front and rear passenger, stock looking dash. Appears to be a West Coast car. That looks like it could be an original nameplate on it. Portland, Oregon, I would assume. Hollywood Ford. Take a look at the chrome in the rear bumper. We do have a little bit of pitting in that rear bumper. It will come with a car cover, jack, some spare floor mats. You'll be able to see those in the still pictures. And speaking of still pictures, unique, classiccars.com. Couple notes from the technician on this one. Brakes nice and straight, 85% left in the front, 70% left in the rear. Mentioned the stereo was in-op. It looked like a factory stereo in there. Wheel cylinders are good. Tires seem like they're in decent shape, but getting up there in age. Date code of 2000 on them. So before you would drive it on a long trip or much of any distance or high rate of speed, you may want to consider checking those tires out. All right, up and down this driver's side, you can also see paint's in nice shape, nice shine to it. I think we have a little scuff down below in that lower rocker right there. I'm being pretty fussy. It's a car you can get in, turn the key and go, have some fun. Bright work up and down the driver's side also looks good. Take a little closer look at this interior. Two-tone door panels. Looks like the carpet has been replaced. It's in nice shape. I haven't really noticed any major rips, tears, holes in the seats, front or rear for that matter. And you'll be able to see the rear seats in the still pictures also. Headliner, good shape. Be a fun car for your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Just taking it out and driving it. Boom, fires right up. See fuel gauge coming up. Has an aftermarket temp gauge added. Paint on the dash looks good. Visors are intact. Flip around to the back so you can hear this run. Door closes nicely. Very nice old car. Listen to that. Go check out this engine bay. I'm gonna have to pause this a second and get this hood open for us. We'll take a peek at that and then stick around to the very end of the video. Jason will take this for a drive, take it for a virtual ride, show you how it goes down the road. Underside of the hood and engine bay. So aluminum radiator has been added. Battery disconnect when it's in storage or in between drives. There it is, that Y-block V8. 272 cubic inches. Purring right along. 1956 Ford Customline, 4-door sedan. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. And yes, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
A few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 1956 Ford Customline in some very 1950s colors. Looking good in this kind of a pale green mixed with, what you call it, middle green and some white or cream white. A real throwback to the 56 colors. Our turn signal indicators are both working. The fuel gauge reads 3/4 of a tank. This is a 3 on the tree manual transmission. Shifts very nicely, clutch feels good. Now our temperature gauge is an aftermarket gauge. However, it has not come up from 130 yet. It's been running for a little while. Speedometer appears to be working. It says 45 miles an hour. Approximately correct, based on feel. We are clock equipped down here, though I cannot see that it is counting the seconds. The blower motor works, the wipers also work. Guess what else works? You probably already know this, but the AM radio working as it should. Beautiful interior, those colors. Again, a great throwback. Bench seat in front and rear, looking to be in pretty good shape. The headliner, the visors, the horn nice and loud. Slight slack in the steering, that's to be expected for a vehicle from this era, and it really doesn't affect performance. The alignment's good, stays nice and straight in the lane. Brakes are smooth. We'll go down to second for the traffic circle. Carpet looking good. A little jiggle to the shifter handle there. Can't feel that much anywhere else, but only at certain speeds and RPMs you see that. No problem at all. Corners nicely luxurious in the corners. A lot of room in the back floor. Passengers. Take a look at all the pictures inside and out, under the hood, in the trunk of this 1956 Ford at uniqueclassiccars.com.